Hello guys, so we just came from Cabagnow Cave. So Seth, that's your first time? My first time too. So vertical cave, you can jump. How is the experience so far? There is a Bohol. First time in Anda, and then I think it's first time ka nakita vertical cave.
Yeah, Bohol actually surprises me in so many ways.
Yes, the hidden gems are the nicest ones. So
I hurt my feet, but it's okay. It's worth it.
memories.
Yeah, memories.
Memories of Anda. With your experience in Anda, how's it so far?
Anda is the best.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the best nature trip that I have so far.
Wow, and we've just started even, no?
Yeah, it's my second month here in Bohol.
Right, and there's still many more hidden gems and spots to go, so abangan nyo yan if ever we get to upload this, right?
Wala.
So see you later, and we'll fly the drone sa beach naman. Ah, you love it, so nice.